How to create a survey in Google Forms. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, open Google Chrome in your laptop or PC. Make sure to sign into your Google account. Now click on this option and select Drive. Or you can also directly head over to drive.google.com. Once you're here, click on the option of New, and from there you want to select the option of Google Forms. From these options, you can select Blank Form. Once you click on this option, a blank form is going to appear. Here you want to type in a title. If you want, you can also type in a description about this form. Then down below you can start typing in your questions. Toggle this option of required if you want this answer mandatory. Then click on the plus icon to create another question. If you want to make this multiple choice, you can do that and then enter the options as well. Now you can click on the plus icon to add some more questions. If you want a long answer, you want to select paragraph over here. Once you have entered all the questions, you can click on the I button to preview how the form is going to look like. Then for test, you can also type in your answers. Once you have answered it, click on the submit option. Now head back in the forms and click on the responses option to check out the response. This is how it's going to look like. Once you're satisfied with your form, you want to click on the send option. If you want to send this form via mail, you want to enter the recipient's name and then click on the send option. And this is how you can create a survey in Google Forms. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.